In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Rithmic to NinjaTrader 8. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to open up your NinjaTrader app, and then in here at the very top, you first want to go to Tools, go to Settings, and in here you want to make sure that multi-provider is enabled, so there's a check mark. Once you enable this, click Apply, restart your NinjaTrader, and then of course it's going to start working. Now to actually get your connection set up, go to Connections, click on Configure over here, and then you'll be able to see a bunch of things under Connections, and those are the available ones. You want to go to the bottom, and over here it says Rithmic for NinjaTrader Brokerage. Double click on that, or just click on that and basically add it down here, and after you do that, you'll be able to see it inside Configured. Click on My Rithmic for NinjaTrader Brokerage, and after you click on that, you'll be able to see you can basically set the connection name. I'm just gonna go ahead and name it Rithmic, there we go. And after you do that, you can set if you want the connection to start up, which I do, and then you have to put in your username and then your password for your Rithmic Trader, and then of course you can select if you want to ask for a password and connection, and here you have to select their system, which is basically their server. So usually of course it's going to be Chicago, so the one I'm using is Chicago, but of course it's up to you, whatever you want, whatever you have and whatever credentials you have for. And then after you're done with that, click on Apply and OK, and you've successfully connected your Rithmic to NinjaTrader 8. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.